Sitting here looking at this beautiful 55 I'm about to start in on. By that angle right there, you'd think that I just got done doing a correction on it. Look at the reflection on that. Detailers online would post that. People would eat it up. Oh wow. Reflection shot. Same thing with this one right here. Look at the reflection. Oh my goodness. You can almost read the writing on the fridge behind me. No swirls. Except for this car has been loved on by more than a couple dusters. Based on those first two angles that I showed you, you can see how deceiving it is when somebody posts a picture in the proper light, and how pictures and video online do no justice to what actual paint looks like in person. If I turn the overhead light off, put a light at an angle, you wouldn't see any of that. That's all stuff you'd see in the sunlight. So next time somebody posts a picture online with their reflection hashtag, you know it's probably just the lighting, because most cars aren't perfect. But on camera, you can sure make them look perfect. Now you know what that panel looks like. Here's a first angle. Look at my bald head glistening. Wait, I'm gonna catch some swirls there. So just angle down and take the picture there, all right? Cover photo, hashtag reflection.